Hi and welcome to HardReset.info channel. Now I will show you how to clean your Motorola Moto G51 5G USB charging port using home remedies. Remember the one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use, and as you can see there is a piece of paper in my charging port. To get it out you just have to take the cover off and take the toothbrush in your hand. Then gently insert one part of toothbrush into the USB port and try to gently pry out the piece of paper. Okay, so put the one part of toothbrush in charging port and try to pry out dirt from our USB port. Fine. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon again. Bye.